Hello everyone, this is Jim. Today in this video, I will introduce some updates of our new software, SCTool. First, you can download this software from our WECON support center in servo, downloads, and software. This version 1.3.5. In this version, we add two new servo modules, VD2L and VD2C. VD2C is bigger power servo, bigger than VD2B, and this model have max to 50 output current. As for VD2L, the details you can check here. Menu. You have a VD2 series function comparison. Here, VD2, VD2L, and VD2F. Some function difference. Okay, so this one is our new software. Here, the first difference is this one. We have added this module in software. This module is used to calculate our power of the bucking resistor. You know, if the built-in brake resistor, the power is not enough, or the built-in brake resistor is blocked, we need to connect external brake resistors. And this tool is used to calculate how much the power is required. First, we can select the frame size, and here have a model. Okay, for example, take this model as an example. And here, some other parameters. For this one, load initial ratio, we can read it from here. This value, we can read from here. And for this is the max speed our servo motor will achieve. And this one is the max voltage from our site. Because you note the input voltage inside may change. So here we can enter the max input voltage may be achieved. For example, this one. Okay. And here, this acceleration and deceleration cycle. How to set this one? For example, like this picture. This time is the time error between two accelerations time from here to here. Okay. For example, we set it as 0.1, and we can change another model, maybe this one. Okay. If this is our motor model, and after filling this parameter, we can get recommends bucking resistor power, this one. Okay. And as for the resistors, usually we connect 50 ohms. Okay. This is the first difference. And the second difference is here. In waveform, we have at least two lines. First, we can click here to display it or not, and then we can set the time here, right side and left side. For example, first we connect and begin to recording. Okay. Here, this is the start line and the end line, and we can change it, for example, to 5. Okay, like this. This is the second difference, and the third difference is about the communication. For VD2 series, before we only support RS422 convert to USB connection, and now we support Modbus connection. For example, here we select Modbus and configure the communication parameter. Connect again. Now we are connecting through Modbus. And here in parameter group 12, here we can set the server address, port rate, and some other communication parameters. Here I set the address to 2 and download the value. And now we can see that we can't connect again. And here we need to change the select ID to, and now we can connect. So for now we can use Modbus RS485 to communicate with servo and use our SCTool. Okay, that's the main difference between new software and old software. Thanks for watching.